Alright, let's break down US taxes in just 3 minutes. Yep, I'm serious. So, taxes. Everyone grumbles about them, but what are they really? Well, taxes are money the government collects from people and businesses to pay for things like roads, schools, the military, and even disaster relief. Let's start with the basics, the federal income tax. If you work in the US and earn money, you probably pay this. The more you make, the higher the percentage you pay. That's called a progressive tax. Imagine your income as a stack of clay blocks. The first few blocks are taxed at a lower rate, and each extra layer gets a little more tax. So, billionaires and burger flippers both pay taxes, but not the same amount or rate. Next up, payroll taxes. These come out of your paycheck before you even see your money. They go straight to programs like Social Security and Medicare. So, when you eventually retire or need medical care, you've already chipped in. But wait, states want a piece of the pie too. Most states have their own income taxes, but not all. Some places, like Texas and Florida, skip income tax entirely. Instead, they rely more on sales taxes. That's the extra few cents you pay at the register for your coffee or headphones. Let's not forget property taxes. If you own a home, you pay this to your local government, usually to fund schools, police, and fire departments in your area. If you rent, your landlord pays it, but spoiler alert, it's usually baked into your rent. And if you buy stuff online, yep, many states now make online stores charge sales tax too. It's not just about local shops anymore. Now, you might have heard of tax returns, those confusing forms you fill out every spring. Here's what's happening. All year, your employer withholds a chunk of your paycheck and sends it to the government. When you file your tax return, you're basically saying, hey, did I pay too much or not enough? If you overpaid, you get a refund. If you underpaid, well, time to cough up the difference. Here's the thing, US taxes may seem complicated, but they're designed to fund things we all use, and to spread the load a bit more on those who can afford it. So, whether you love them or hate them, taxes keep the country running. And if you ever get stuck, there are loads of online tools and tax professionals who can help. And that's US taxes in 3 minutes. Clay blocks, coffee, and all. Thanks for sticking with me.